Greetings from beautiful Praia de Meco, the nice beach 15 minutes away from our location, Casa na Ferreira. Yeah, you can smell the sea here, you can hear it. A lot of kite surfers are here because it's a bit windy, as you can hear. And just out here in the woods will be the location for a few little nature rituals that we're going to do together. And of course you will have the chance to jump into the sea. Check the energy of the Atlantic Ocean. In here you can smell the forest, and how much more beautiful can it get? We're gonna come with the whole team, bus transfer from Casa na Ferreira, and spend some nice hours down here on the coast. So all the best from Portugal. Happy to come here with you.